Okay, I'm back. So I know you wonder, like, what is it? My pomade is trying to play me, but I'm waiting for it to dry and then I'm just gonna like scrub it off or whatever. But enough about that. This palette right here is the Nubian 2. So this is my first time actually like doing anything with it. I didn't swatch it, I didn't do anything, so I can't wait to get this fabulous, warm, delicious look. So without further ado, I'm glowing. Oh, skin, come on, skin. Oh, yes, I look so bronze and so like, yes, okay. I'm feeling this right here. Yeah, my skin looks so amazing. Like, what's up? Alright, so let's get it going. Going into my Morphe 200, and I'm gonna go into this color right here. My eyes are already primed. I primed my eyes with LA Girl and I set it with some setting powder. So yeah, so I'm gonna get all that good stuff. Tap off that excess and we're going right here. And we're going to blend it, really focusing at the end and working our way inward. Like we already know to put the most product on the outside and bring it in, just like so. Just like so, very neatly. So I have a special surprise for you guys and I'm really excited to share. So stay tuned. Whew. Okay, so I just put back my foundation I lost. Eyeshadow shields are great for people that like to do their foundation and everything before their eyes. It works great. One negative I have about this is that it does take off like foundation, but it is thicker, so that's one thing that's kind of annoying. Taking Morphe's M204 and I'm going to go into a dark, like a really dark brown, and I'm going to put that on my outer feet like so. And I like to do circle motion. You don't have to. I like to pat it on and then like do circle motion. Only focusing under here, not going too far up, just like stop it right there. And I'm doing circular motion, going back into that orange because it's trying to get lost. It's trying to get lost. So blending this brown. Again, you want it to be soft, you don't want it to be harsh, so you really want to blend these colors. So really taking your time going into that brown. Oh, not brown, but that orange, and really blending that brown out so it can give you like a smoky look. Just like that. I want to go back into the orange because I don't want the brown to take over. And all I'm doing right there is just bringing back that orange. I don't want the orange to get lost. And then going into this Egypt right here. Oop. And I like to start in the middle. I don't know why I do certain things. I just do. And I'm not taking it too far, like it's under my crease. That's where I'm taking it. And at this part, I'm really like focusing like right here. I'm not going past. And then going back into that brown to blend it, soft blend. Just like that. Actually want to put just a little brown, just a little of that dark brown with my Morphe M330. And I want to bring that in just a little bit, just to like blend it and give it some kind of definition with this brown. Just like that. And then to give it like, you know, it's giving me, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, like, oh my goodness. I'm excited. Look how pretty it is. And we're not even done. I'm gonna do my wing now. I'm gonna use my newfound love, which is the Maybelline Eye Studio in the color black. Let's go into that Morocco. Let's go under the eyes with that. Now I want to do a wing. If it was like a smoky eye, that would have been like okay, you know? But not a smoky eye. I'm going to do what you do to the top, you do to the bottom. Really giving it to it. And then going into that Madagascar. And I'm just gonna focus Madagascar on my outer lid. On my outer under eye. And then going into like a small brush like this. This is Max M215, and I'm going to that dark brown, but I'm just going to focus it on the outside and smoke it out. Not really taking it really low, just like trying to keep it on that waterline, kind of sort of me. Blending it. Let's go into this one. Or this one, which one? Right here. Don't want to get too crazy. And then I'm gonna line my eyes with black. Just like a thin strip. Thin. Very thin. Ooh. Ooh, these lashes. Okay, come on now. I'm glowing. I'm glowing. Yes, I'm so bronzy. I love it. Love this. Okay, so I put mascara under my eyes, and then what else did I do? That's it. I had to get that stuff off my face. It was not being nice to me. So yeah. Okay, so let's get into our lips. I guess this look too will go good with like a nude lip. That'd be super cute. But, you know, I gotta be extra. So I'm gonna use these two colors. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Hunter lipstick. These lipsticks are good because like I find when you're trying to look for a lipstick, it's always getting like crusty and stuff, but this actually is very like soft, and you know, like it doesn't get crusty. It really doesn't move around either. This it's really good. It doesn't get crusty. Like I always have a problem with them getting crusty. Like nobody got time for that. So I'm gonna create an ombre lip, and then I'm gonna use XOX liquid pigment, and my lips are juicy like the instructions say. And this is in the color FWB. My little go. And then just because, let's add this. I don't know. Oh, let's add a little shine. Or should I do like get a little? Let's see. I'm going into this taper brush and put that right here. Let me get dressed, and I have some news for you guys, so I'll be right back. You're the bomb. Thank you for waiting to the end of the video. Now, this is the final look, but that's not why you stayed. What is my surprise? What do I have to announce? I am doing my first giveaway. Woo! Yay! Yes, I'm doing my first giveaway, and I'm going to give away something secret. I don't know what it's gonna be. I have no clue. Yes, I do. So there's 3 simple rules to entering this giveaway. First, you have to be a YouTube subscriber of mine. Yes. Then you have to go to my Instagram, which is @MakeupScoops. I'm going to have a picture. It's going to be fabulous. I'm going to say the road to 1,000 subscribers. Yes, that is not a lot. And all you have to do under that picture is tag 4 of your friends that are not following.